What's up, everybody? I am here for a review for you today. I am reviewing Moitie Cosmetics. I might be saying that wrong, but let me go ahead and apply me some lip gloss. Cause all of that shit, so much better. So they have their own lash kit that you can actually put together and make your own lashes pop without having a professional actually do them. So in the kit, let me give you a shot of what comes in this kit. Okay, so all this come in this kit, and it comes with a cute little pouch, but I guess I dropped the pouch. This is the container. These are the lashes. They're quite thick, especially that band. So we're going to see how that works. It comes with a little spool, a little brush, spoolie brush. It comes with their own tweezers. They have their logo actually on the tweezers. It comes with, well, actually it didn't come with, I paid $5 for the lash removal. And this is why I'm here. Okay, the glue. That is the most important thing to me, is not the lashes, because you know, I have my own lashes, which are these. Now, the instruction says that they want you to put the lashes, let me get the instructions out here. They want you to put the lashes on top. I don't put lashes on top. I always put my lashes on the bottom. So let's just see how this works. They're claiming that it's a 10-day, it lasts for 10 days. We're going to test that theory also, see how long it lasts. So, like I said, we're going to test that theory out and see how long the lashes last. I'm more here for the glue than anything. I'm not here for the lashes. Those lashes is thick, and I don't do thick individual lashes, and they seem like they're going to be heavy, but I might be wrong. So let's go ahead and get started. Let me go ahead and set some things up here. I went ahead and opened the glue. Let me give the glue a sniff, I'm sorry. I don't smell anything, really. Let me get it out of the container. Nope, smells fine. They want you to dispose of this 30 days after. I do this little bitty bottle. You're gonna go through that really quick. This is not for, I guess, professional use. I'm not exactly sure. So let's go ahead and get those lashes out. I guess we're gonna go ahead and do that and do that here. I guess, I don't know, let's throw that to the side. So like I said, they're quite thick. Let's see how far I make it with these lashes. We're gonna take this strip, it's already connected to, okay, so I might have to pull my own tweezers out. Okay, so here is the lashes off the strip, and like I said, they're drama, the thickest ones they had, and I'm gonna go ahead and try them out. Okay, so that's quite generous. Let me kind of, I'm already blowing like it's a piece of chicken. I'm going to get close up on the camera, and I'm going to I don't know if I'm gonna be able to, let's see. I feel like it's, let's try the top. You know, I feel like these lashes are, I feel like they took a strip of lashes Okay. Don't like the lashes. Let me go to my... Let's go to some real lashes, because though this kit was $30, okay? And these lashes are horrible. Okay. That's a down for me. And let's go ahead and I'm gonna dip the lash in the glue. And I'm going to always start at the in the middle. Okay. Let's try this again. We're gonna take the lash. Oh, okay. Hold on. It's stuck to my fingers. Let's get a little dab. And get it on there. All right. I always put my lashes on, and I start in the middle, I space them out, and then I go back in and I fill them in. And it depends on your preference or how you're going to fill your lashes in. Maybe some may like a whole lot, some may like just a little bit. But like I said, I'm not here for their lashes, I am here for their glue, and hopefully you know what, me and these tweezers, we're not friends, because it keeps trying to stick to the tweezers. And I don't want it to stick to the tweezer, I want it to stick to the hairs. So far. Okay. The hardest thing is trying to put lashes on the camera. Give them a little fan so they can get a little bit of, I can get a little bit of air. I do have my fan on the background because I was not for sure of how potent the smell was, so I just wanted to be on the safe side. But so far I'm liking them. As far as the lashes go, I always like these. But as far as the glue goes, the glue seems to be working. So let's go ahead and finish this eye. this stuff is sticking to my fingers. Watch. I'll try to pull it off. See that? So that's a good thing. You're definitely gonna need a fan for this. So let's keep going. My eye watering like I ain't never wore lashes before. Minis. So far you can see that I have, they're thin, they're not too full, but this lash glue, okay, all right. I might have to get a couple bottles of these for my individuals. Oh, yeah, yep. Yeah, but you're definitely gonna need a fan. I don't smell anything. But let me go ahead and finish this eye real quick, and then I'm gonna do the other one, and then I'm gonna give you my last, my final results. Okay, so if you hear the fan is closer because, baby, my eye was watering, so I have to bring the fan closer to my face. But let me tell you something about this glue. I went ahead and just completed the whole thing, and that one drop got me through this whole set. I use all but this row and this have a little bit of row here. And let me tell you something. You gonna need this. Baby, these lashes ain't going nowhere. Let me tell you something. Come close. Right up in here, I set the lash wrong. So I said, let me go back and adjust it. I couldn't even get the damn thing off. Do you hear me? I couldn't even get it off. I had to... I think I lost, I ain't gonna say I lost some hairs, but baby, look, they ain't going nowhere. Look, they ain't going nowhere. This right here, I'm excited. I'm excited about this glue. Hey, y'all ready to get your lashes done? Here in the D, I'm here for it, baby, because this lash glue, these gonna be on. You gonna have to get some remover for this. This right here, I don't know what this concoction is, but these lashes are lasting. They said 10 days. I'm gonna see if they last 10 days because these lashes is on there. Now, this little bullshit right here, I don't know what they are, and I couldn't do it. That might be some people, just not mine. I don't play them type of games. But let me tell you something. These lashes ain't going nowhere. Do you hear me? I am impressed. I am impressed. But let me tell you something. This may not have a smell, but baby, it's strong. I had to turn the fan up because my eyes was watering. I'm like, I've been doing lashes for years, and only one that ever made my was this, and I'm about to throw that in the box. If these lashes last 10 days, this lash glue ain't no joke, okay? Get you some. Them lashes, if that's what you like, go right ahead. That ain't for me. And they give you the little brush. Let's see if the little brush takes some lashes out. Baby, look at that. Look at that. Let me see what this is in here, okay? Oh, got a little, let's see what's in here. Let's see what it smells like. Because you can get any type of lash remover from the beauty supply. Well, let's see what was $5. I'm always smelling stuff. Do you smell stuff? Oh, some type of gel or something. Vaseline. Put it on there, soak them, let them just sit for a minute, and then take them off. They sell lash remover at the beauty supply. Let me tell you something. I'm back in business, baby. I ain't did no lashes in a while, but I will be doing lashes again. Do you hear me? This is a thumbs up for me. I'm gonna let you know within 10 days how this lash, do they fall off? Are they irritating my eyes? Did it pull my lashes out when I finally took them off? But for now, and get you some of these. It's lightweight. Until then, peace out.